Hi friends, myself Drishya, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Today we are discussing about the database management system on topic relational model. In second unit relational model, the topic is keys in a relational data model. This is a mind map of database management system. This is the overall view of database management system. So we are going to the key concept. A key is an attribute or a set of attributes used to uniquely identify a tuple. Tuple means the row included in the table in a relation means the technical term used in dbms for table, that is relation. So the key ensures uniqueness of records, data integrity, efficient data retrieval. Keys are fundamental in relational database system design. In every key concept, in every dbms, key is one of the important topic in the important concept. So the key is an attribute or set of attribute which is used to uniquely identify a tuple or a row in a relation. So, why keys are needed? In a table or in a relation, why we are using keys? To avoid duplicate records and to establish relationship between tables, to maintain data consistency, to enforce integrity constraints, to support efficient searching and indexing. These are the main usage or important of keys key using for these concepts. Avoid duplicate records. Suppose a table contains similar records more than one times, we are using these keys for deleting or avoiding these duplicate records and the connecting different tables and the data which is true, null data is removed, and that is data consistency and integrity constraints, then which means the given data and the uploaded data and saving data are same or not, check whether save or not. Okay, then efficient searching and indexing. Then types of key concept, types of keys. We have different kinds of keys used in database management system. The database keys like foreign key, surrogate key, alternate key, primary key, composite key, candidate key, super key. We already discussed the primary key and foreign key. So the next is super key, candidate key, composite key, alternate key, etc. These are different kinds of another type of keys. Okay, we are discussing about the super key. A super key is a set of one or more attributes that uniquely identifies a table, which it may contain extra attributes. Example, we have a table student with student id, email and name. So the super keys are student id, email, student id and name. Which means we can uniquely identify the record or tuple by using student id alone or email alone or student id plus name. So that is super key. The next is candidate key. A candidate key is a minimal super key. No proper subset of a candidate key can uniquely identify a tuple. A table can have multiple candidates key. Suppose we have a same example, student with the student id, email, name. The candidate keys are student id and email. Using these two, we can uniquely identify the record. Which is in super key we have it's in super key we have the two attributes, student id and name, that is removed in candidate key. We consider only the minimal super key, that is student id and email. Next is primary key, that we are already discussed before earlier. A primary key is a candidate key chosen to uniquely identify records, then must be unique, cannot be null. One primary key per table. Example, student id is primary key, name, department. Then alternate key is the candidate key not selected as the primary key, that is known as alternate key. Suppose they still uniquely identify records. Example, here in the student id is primary key, email is alternate key. Here email is alternate key. Then next is composite key. A composite key consists of two or more attributes used when a single attribute cannot uniquely identify records. For example, enrollment, student id, and here we consider a table enrollment with student id, course id and grade. The composite keys are student id and course id. Then this is a comparison of This is a comparison of tables key types: super key, candidate key, primary key, alternate key, composite key. So this is one example, real-time example. We have some assessment question. Try to solve it, and this is a reference. And thank you. Hope all of you understand about the key concept deeply. If you have any doubt, comment here. Thank you.